Understanding Infill Density, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, infill density. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what infill density means and how to use it in your conversations and writing. Infill density refers to the amount of material used to fill the interior of something, often in manufacturing or construction contexts. Think of it like filling a box with packing peanuts. The more peanuts you use, the higher the infill density. This term is commonly used in 3D printing, where it describes how solid the inside of a printed object is. Let's put infill density into context with some examples. In 3D printing, a higher infill density means a sturdier object but also more material usage and longer print times. In urban planning, infill density might refer to the number of buildings or units in a specific area. Higher infill density can mean more homes in a smaller space. Understanding infill density is important because it helps in making informed decisions in fields like engineering or urban planning, communicating effectively in professional settings where precision is key. And that's infill density for you. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.